What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, doing something a little bit different. I'm about to take you in the grocery store with me. I am looking for Just Egg. I'm about to do a review for you, so let's go. First thing you're gonna do is take some vegetable oil. This is about a half a tablespoon. I would use less if I could go back and do it again. And you just wanna make sure that your pot is well coated. And then you're gonna go in with however many tablespoons of Just Egg that you'd like. I settled on 3 tablespoons because it's just gonna be me. And it's really important that you cook this with the lid on low heat. So I decided to seasoning to taste with just a little salt and pepper. So at 5 minutes, this is what my Just Egg is starting to look like. And I decided that I want a little more time on it. So after just going ahead and fluffing it up just a little bit, I popped the lid back on for an additional 3 minutes. I'm satisfied with my final product, so I'm gonna make some guac or an avocado spread because I'm gonna make avocado toast. And so I'm using a half of an avocado with some fresh diced tomatoes. And I'm choosing to season with a little pico de gallo since there's already salt and pepper in my eggs. And lastly, I am just gonna squeeze in a little bit of some fresh lime. So I'm giving everything a really good mix. And so I've got some toasted multigrain toast that I'm spreading my avocado spread on. And then the last step will be to top it off with my plant-based eggs, my Just Egg. And there you go, folks. I've made some avocado toast with eggs. But you don't have to serve it this way. You can also just eat it by itself and pair it with a piece of toast and maybe some fresh fruit. Tell me how you'd like to make your Just Egg in the comment section below.